and all like around something pebbles. How then did the pebble because so round and smooth and scientifically nice? It is will tell you the story of your have good ideas for your several varieties. It tells you have no upon a writing problem. It may be long ago. It was just imagine that. It was with a rock, just like the bit you may break from a big rock of stone with relatively which corners. Possibly, how we read this story of the rocks in mountains. Now turn over the page and let's try. Because again of island, stand and join the brothers and sisters makes a beautiful bench where the children can play and make castles out a stand. If a little pebble can tell me so how much more could we learn about rocks and mountains and the many other things we see around us. Next page, run over and I tell next story. The Riddle. Akbar was one of the greatest emperors of India. He belonged to the Mughal dynasty. He had into fought the Nile Games. Now I told about art. When you and I are together, you often ask me questions about many things and I try to answer them. People in it as our brothers and sisters. When you grow up, you will read about the story of the earth. People can say. Uncle Bajar hangs a picture. You never saw such a common of our down house in all your life. As when my Uncle Bajar undertook a job. A picture would have come home from the farm's mix and be standing in the dining room, waiting to be put up. Aunt Pajar would ask what was to be done with it. And Uncle Pajar would say, "Oh, you leave that to me, don't you? Any of you worry yourselves about